Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm putting my hair up as we speak. Welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. And if you're just joining us for the first time, welcome. Yeah, I gotta put my hair up today. It is like 88 degrees out right now, and it's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in southern Arizona. We're expected to get up to 100 by Friday. The weather's just been insane. Somebody please give Mother Nature her hormones back. She needs some hormone therapy. My goodness. We are doing a Acrylic-Creations inspired pour today. I want to kind of do a bit of a lengthwise, sort of landscapey kind of looking pour. This is an 8 by 24 edge canvas. It's the deep dish, not the hand toss. Don't get them confused. And these are our colors. This is titanium white mixed with a bit of Vallejo pearl medium and some gold metallic medium from Liquitex. Yummy right there. And we're working with a thinnish consistency. It's a mound that leaves a slight trace. So, and all of my paints are mixed with 70% glue, 30% water, and I did put a little bit more paint in these than normal. They're about 1 to 1 part paint, 1.5 parts pouring medium. And then I did put in a splash of GAC 800 in them because I added extra water to thin them down. This is unbleached titanium by Artist Loft. I think I might, I don't know. I don't think I have to put any more water in that. I think we're good. There's not much of this because I accidentally tipped it over while setting up. That's why there's a mess. Sorry about that. This is Pearl Copper Gold by Arteza. Love Arteza paints. Look how beautiful that is. Yummy. Then I have some burnt sienna. Yummy burnt coppery orange. Love it. Is it an orangish brown? Is it a brownish orange? I don't know. I don't care. I just know it's gorgeous. All right. Then we have Lucas Krill in raw umber. I was going to mix up some indigo. I have some hiding over there. I did mix it, but I don't think I'm going to use it. I want to stick to this nice warm little palette here. But yeah, Raw Umber by Lucas Krill. Love that color. It's one of my favorite colors. It adds so much depth into a painting. And yeah, it's just, All right, so that's our palette. Those are colors. Let me clean this up out of the way and we will get started. Before I put some music on for you, I want to remind you that Dave's Acrylic-Creations and Just Janese, my Thursday train buddies, were right before me. So please check my description for the links to their videos. There should be a playlist link too. Dave is always wonderful enough to create a playlist for us, so it's easier for you to follow along. Okay, I'm just going to do the little Dixie cup and kind of do like little jiggle type wandering sort of ring pours and then stretch them out as we go along all the way down my canvas. So let's put on some music and get started.
Well, when I woke up, she was looking at me. She told me I've been cheating on her. her dream. Lord, it wasn't a thing I could do or say to change her mind any way. She told me that things was gonna change if I wanted her. I couldn't stay the same, so I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Yeah, everything she asked I left in the past just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, all I've been domesticated. She told me to top off her Jeep, the one I bought her when I sold my old GT. And I bumped in to my good friend, and he asked me where the hell had I been. So I told him what she told me. If I didn't change, she was gonna leave. So I stopped going down on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Everything she asked I left in the past just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, I'm domesticated. But when I got home, she sat me down, said she wasn't happy and she wanted out. Everything about the man she once loved is long gone, baby, and it's all because I stopped going out on Friday nights. I stopped drinking with the boys. Everything she asked I left in the past just to try to bring her joy. For the record, it can't be understated, Lord, I've been domesticated. Lord, I've been domesticated. All I do is stay at home all damn day.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of love to breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5, I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. Brand new start and a whole new part, they are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe, you know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now nothing is this rush of life, you'll never find its match. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat. We're believing on the next train, babe, so take your seat. All right. Let's ride this train. train. Let's ride this train now.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing to me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. Guitar. Yeah. All right. Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. Ha. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the
Hi guys, we're back with dry results. It dried beautifully. It is so smooth and gorgeous, and I love it. Look at that. Oh, so many gorgeous points of interest on this. And yeah, I am going to have some fun now with some of these products, some of my gel prints that I've done, and some of what Janese calls bits and bobs that I've collected. And we're going to go mixed media wild on this, and I will show you those final results in an upcoming video. So please be sure to do those UB2B thingies, the likey, sharies, subscribees, so that you won't miss it. Because yeah, it'll just be part of a here it is kind of thing during a different art video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I did. It's been a long time since I've gone over an hour pouring a painting, and it felt good. It was really relaxing, and I really enjoyed the process. So yeah, there we go. If you haven't already, please check out Dave's Acrylic-Creations and Just Janese. They are my Thursday train buddies. They always go right before me, and their links are always down in my description, so you can easily go back and check them out if you missed them earlier today. All right, until next time, loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.
She's a little bit crazy.